You ever had a simple idea that you just had to try? Well, I wanted to send images from my phone to my computer without WhatsApp, email, or any cloud service. Just a quick, local solution. Normally, I'd sit down and code it myself, but this time I tried something different. I described my idea, pressed enter, and waited. But could it really work? Or was I about to waste my time? Let's find out. I'm on Claude interface, setting up the prompt. So the goal is a one-file PHP application that uploads images to a server. I want AlpineJS for clean structure and SQLite for storage. SQLite is a lightweight database, no setup needed, just a single file to store data. So let's see if Claude can handle this. Alright, now Claude is generating the code. Let's give it a few seconds. And there it is. Let's see what we've got. Alright, time to bring this to life. Let's create a new PHP file. So I will use the command line touch index.php. Now let's open this new file with Sublime text for my case, but you can open it with your text editor, your code editor. Let's make a quick review of the generated code. So let's start by changing the password. In a real production app, we would use a .env file, or even better, an authentication system. But for now, I'm keeping it simple. Look at the code. We can see it's using SQLite, just as we want it. Here's the part that handles the upload. And I have to say, it's pretty neat. There are clear comments outlining each step, and it even manages error codes like 400, 403, and 500. Yeah, I think it's nice. Now for the front-end part, as you can see, it's using AlpineJS and Tailwind CSS. I specified AlpineJS in the prompt, but for Tailwind I don't think so, but I think it's a logical choice. Yeah. Okay, so now let's open a new terminal and fire up a local PHP server. For this, I will use the command php-s. Localhost and the port will be 8250. Once that's done, I'll head over to the browser. Type in the port 8250 and not 83 but 82. Hit enter, and yeah, that's it. The app is running. So now let's upload a new image. Okay, let's pick the first image and then we click on the upload image button. And it doesn't work, and I think it's great because the field is required. So let me fill it, and wait a second. The password I'm typing is showing up on the screen. Personally, I think that's a bad practice, especially for something sensitive like a password. So let's fix that. As you can see, the input field type is set to text. So let's change it to password. Much better now. Let's try again. I'll pick an image, fill in the password. Now it's hidden, which is great. And click on the upload button when I finished. Okay, Oh, it doesn't work. Let's see what's going wrong. I'll open the Chrome Developer Tools and check the Network tab. Under Fetch XHR, we can see the error Undefined Constant Upload Success. So let's try to fix that. Back to the source code. Now let's see for upload success. Ah, there it is. We found it. And as you can see, the constant isn't defined anywhere. Looks like Claude missed that part. Alright, let's copy the error message and paste it into Claude's chat prompt. Now, let's see what Claude suggests as a fix. Claude says it's added the missing constant. Oh, nice. Let's copy the part that interests us and paste it right into our code. Now we've got the missing constant defined. Simple fix. Alright, let's give it another shot. I'll select an image, fill in the password and click on upload. And this time, yeah, it works. Nice. Let's check the uploads folder. Yeah, the image is there. Success. Now let's check the SQLite database. I'm using DB browser for SQLite on Windows. As we can see, there's an images table and the image file name is successfully added. Yeah. Let's try uploading more images. I pick an image, fill the password. Oops, wrong password. We get an error message. Now enter the correct password and yes, the image uploads successfully. So now we have 2 images. And that's it. We've just built a simple image upload app. And while it's basic, it really highlights how powerful IA like Claude can be. When you know what you're doing, IA can help you create awesome apps in no time. If this video helped or inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building together.